Caitlin Nucci, 18, turning 19 in just a few days from Stringwood, Illinois. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Caitlin's going to be 19. Gosh, accompanied today by representatives of Hanover Township Youth and Family Services and our mother, Jeanette. Where's Mom? Hi, Mom. Welcome. Ms. Nucci was nominated for her volunteerism in a variety of community and youth outreach programs in Hanover Township. Caitlin, as she's known to everybody, the community has a high level of gang involvement. That's where she is. There is a social service and activity gap for many families, she says, and a lack of activities for many at-risk youth from after school and during break. So, what do you do when you hear something like that? You get out there and you work at it and you figure out what to do about it. In addition to 3 years of volunteerism with the existing Hanover Township program, serving as the Township's Committee on Youth Vice Chair, and in the advisory capacity to the Township Board of Trustees, last year Caitlin worked with other community leaders to found a group called Neighborhood Leaders United in response to community gang violence. They did something about it. They have moved on since then, and most recently, she's experienced a desire to recreate an English-Spanish conversation club, a service once offered by the township. Now, the community in which she lives and the volunteers have a high Spanish-speaking immigrant population who wishes to learn English, and many English-speaking adults like herself who would like to learn more Spanish. So they're getting together. She's very passionate about teaching leadership skills to the young people and interested in creating a program for high school students which will teach them skills needed for their adult post-secondary careers. She's a dedicated volunteer, as you can hear. Caitlin has been busy. She's only 19 years young, but boy, oh boy, oh boy. Are you tired? I hope not. We're looking at a wonderful person who's getting ready to go out there and change the world. Caitlin, we are very, very proud of you. Your leadership skills set you apart from others. You're not afraid to take the lead in any context. You're respectful of other people. And because of that, Caitlin Nucci, you're presented the Governor's Volunteer Service Award for Youth and Education. Congratulations.